Hi, this is Sara of Spa and Wellness Mexicaribe. I'm here in live Aqua, San Miguel de Allende, here in Mexico. And this beautifully decorated hotel is a great place for people looking to bring wellness retreats and people looking to discover the area of San Miguel de Allende while enjoying the wellness activities provided here at the hotel. The spa is lovely. It has sauna and steam rooms separately in each of the changing rooms for male and female, and a LUDIC pool with some jets which can be enjoyed by couples together, males and females, and a variety of experienced showers and thermal lounges which are set to the perfect temperature, and even an oxygen bar, like an infusion of oxygen. They have lavender and eucalyptus aromas for the oxygen, which is really nice and definitely gives you a little more energy if you're feeling relaxed. The surrounding area is amazing. We've done a walking tour of the city. We've been out to visit one of the vineyards, the Viñedo San Lucas, which is beautiful. And we did some yoga here at the resort and a workshop with MOJIGANGAS, which are the traditional large dolls of the area of San Miguel de Allende. So if you're in the area, I highly recommend checking out Live Aqua here in the city. Thanks for watching.